Okay, we're at Brompton Square Apartments. We're going to run a camera through the 6-inch clean out on the south side of building 16 in the driveway parking area. We're going to be running back toward Whitty Road, which is west from here. So we're going to go in and try to inspect this line between building 16, which is the building you're seeing now, and then building 17, which is that building you can see in the distance. We're running in that direction, and we're going to see if there's any breaks in this section of the line. As soon as we get down in the pipe, I'm going to reset this counter, so there could be a little delay there. What you're going to see is our jet machine. We've ran the jet the other way to try to pull the water and debris out of the line, hoping to get a better view of what's going on here. So that's what you're going to see, that jet head in front of us. And right above us is a connection for, looks like somewhere else, but we'll go back and look at that again in just a second. This disturbance is from our jet machine, so we're going to continue in just a second. This is a connection. Doesn't look too bad. We're going to continue. This is probably the where building 16 ties in with the main. This small offset at the pipe here, but it's not very large though. It's about 20 feet from the clean out. We're going to continue. That's a little bit of grease on the top of the pipe, but so far the line is pretty clean. Another connection in the old concrete pipe here. Okay, we're trying to have a look at this pipe to the left. I believe that's going to be the pipe for building 17 connection. So we've actually passed the entire area. As you can see, we've gone 60 feet, and we haven't seen anything other than some of the just the original pipe connections on the concrete line. Okay, this is our jet head again. We're past building 17 at this point. Does look like there's some kind of a rock or some sort of obstruction right here, but we'll be able to clean that out in a little while. We're going to go ahead and remove our jet machine at this point and continue down the line a little further. Okay, this is the 6-inch cleanout where we had our jet machine in. And at this point you can see a little more debris in the line, but it looked like for the most part the pipe wasn't in that bad a shape between these two 6-inch cleanouts. We're going to go ahead and pull it out. We'll try to inspect, remove the camera. We'll try to inspect the line on the way back and then we'll see about cleaning this portion of the line out a little better for the future. That's the debris we noticed earlier. After we finish this video, we're going to run the jet machine back through and try to pull some of that stuff out of there. As you can see, once we turned off our jet machine, which we're using to pull the water out of the line, this section of pipe does hold some water. The camera's underwater at this point, but it is a large pipe, so it's probably flowing on the top somewhat. But as far as any major breaks, we seemed okay on that.